Hello guys, thanks for joining me in my masterclass today. Happy Sunday to wherever you're watching me from, and welcome to today's tutorial. If you are joining me for the first time, this is Bukas masterclass, and you are watching market review, weekly market review today. So just sit down and relax and enjoy the video. In today's video, what we are going to do actually is just to review the market on what is going on Bitcoin and other altcoins out there, and also we are going to share on the major news that made round within the week. This is actually what we do every time on Market Watch. Sometimes I call it Market Watch or Market Review. So welcome, and if you're joining us for the first time, do well and subscribe to the channel, share the video to your friends, and like also this video. So let's forge ahead. First of all, I want to bring you to your notice about the news on Ethereum merge, which is coming on this month. I think probably from 10th to 20th of this month, Ethereum merge will start. And also I will also share with you the opportunities you need to take within this period. You need to take a good opportunity of these things. Sometimes some people predict that after this merge, Ethereum gonna dump because some people will not like the proof of stake aspect of it. Some people will prefer the proof of work, but some people also who like the proof of stake aspect is gonna take a huge step in making sure that they gain more on Ethereum. So another thing is if you are a futures trader or you are a spot trader, it is a good opportunity for you to take your position before the Ethereum merge starts. So whichever one you are going to do, we are going to share it in this video. First of all, as you are looking to my screen right now, let me bring to you the news about Ethereum. So if you are seeing my screen, this is Ethereum Twitter handle, and they just pinned this tweet which is said the merge is coming, upgrade your client. So looking at this, you can see that this particular place is the date for the merge. This one is a Bela text upgrade is scheduled to echo on this date, this Bitcoin chain. This one will be happening on 6th of October, but the main one, which is the merge, is being expected from 10th to 20th of September. That is this month. And you can see this is the diagram that represents the merge which is coming up. So these people has much things coming on within this month. There are many events within this month. Some people predict that after this merge, Ethereum gonna dump, but meanwhile some people still predict that this merge is going to increase the utility of Ethereum, and by increasing the utility of Ethereum, the price of Ethereum, the unit price of Ethereum is going to increase as well. So if you are watching me for the first time, I also like you to follow me on Twitter. This is my username here, Bukas official, or you can just type at Ernest Bukas and you will just hear me. Follow me there. I share many things in my Twitter handle. I share signals, I share updates, everything that is happening. I share tutorials and many more. Any crypto trader, you would also like to follow me. So that is it about Ethereum. The next thing we're going to talk about today is let's look on BTC. What is happening on BTC price and what's happening within the altcoins. So looking at the BTC prices and other coins as well, you can see as you can see here, I don't know if you can see my screen very well, but if you can see my screen, I want you to pay attention right now. Now let's check on the price of it. BTC is currently trading at 19,694, which is very low. within the week. There is not much thing that happened on BTC within the week. If you can check historical data right here, this is also how to check the price of what Ethereum BTC did. Now if you start from if you start from 27th of October, you can see that BTC didn't go much high. From 27th of August was 20,200, and since then it has not gone beyond 20,200. It has been trading around these prices at 20,200, 20,100, 19,000. But the thing we have not seen since is 18k, which is actually where many people are hopping in to start buying or start longing on futures. So many people are hoping on 18k, 17k. Currently where my order is placed right now is on 17k, which is where what I told you guys in my previous video, that my order is placed on 17k, 17.5, and that is where I'm going to start buying Bitcoin or longing Bitcoin from. So looking at this historical data here, just the past 7 days, you have seen that we have not gone beyond 20,200 for the past 7 days. This is so bad that the price has been like this in a ranging mode. If you look at the charts right here, if you look at this chart right here, you will see as well that so this is the Bitcoin chart, and if you are watching this, you can see that many things, the ones that are winning ever since are the short traders. So those that are shorting the market have been winning. So if you follow the trend, we are on a downtrend already. Looking at 200 period moving average standing on top of the price. I think this one is actually 50 period moving average. But if I add 200 period moving average here, 200 period moving average here, you can actually see that we have lost 200 period moving average again. Remember, on February this year, we lost 200 period moving average on 4-hour chart, and that was when Bitcoin dump started. Now reaching on last month, which is August, we regained 200 period moving average. That was why Bitcoin pumped from here, as you can see on my screen. I hope you can see my screen very clear. Now from that day, Bitcoin started pumping from here. Now from this from the exact day, we regained 200 period moving average on 4-hour. Now we regained it again, and we had a higher pump to 24k. After that, we lost it again, but within a short period of time, we regained 200 period moving average again. And since then Bitcoin pumped. At least we reached 25k. Bitcoin reached 25k before dumping back. And on the date, on 18th of August, we lost 200 period moving average again. That was when shorting started. If you are a good trader, this is the time for you to short Bitcoin. When we lost 200 period moving average, you don't even need many indicators for you to trade this. You only need this indicator, and if you trace back, if you backtest this chart, you can actually see that on we regaining 200 moving average again, we will see the price pump. And if we just lost it, we will see the price dump. Look at here, when we lost it again, the price dumped. And if you are seeing my buy and sell indicator, you can see that the indicator indicated that from here that you can sell. Now reach here, you see here. So we regained it again on 26th of July. But the thing did not happen within a long period of time. It's just a short period of time. We regained it again and we pumped. Now on looking at the charts right now, you can see that we have lost 200 period moving average again on 4-hour, and we have been dumping, and we will keep dumping until we regain them. We will keep dumping until we regain 200. Many people have many other things that will give them, that will trigger them to enter a trade. But for me, using 200 simple moving average will tell you everything. Once we regain this 200 moving average right here, once we regain it again, it calls for long position. But as far as we are still trading below, no need. You can be just doing scalping, long and short, long and short. But if you are hoping for a long-term trading, maybe from 1 week, 2 weeks, once we regain 200 period moving average, it calls for long, and immediately we lost it, it calls for short. It's very simple as ABCD. Now, looking at this, see this line I draw there down below. This is the price, and this is the first time. This is the 18800. This one I'll be buying. This from the first one I started. I will start buying again Bitcoin, though there is this a point where I started buying, but once I get to this area, why I'm sure that it will get to this area, because there is a liquidity around here. There is a big institutions holding here to buy Bitcoin. You can see that. Now if you see, there is a people also that are here hoping to buy Bitcoin. There are other sets here, and there are high possibility that we are going to test this area before a high pump will start. So you can also set your order around these areas too. That is it for Bitcoin. And what to expect if you are a short-term trader. The only thing to do for you to do right now is to be scalping. There are many opportunities for scalp. If I zoom out and wait, I want to use, okay, now there are many opportunities for scalping. You can see that this areas was a good opportunity for trade. You can see that when it formed a rise, but when this rising wedge here broke down, see, so when this rising wedge here broke down, this is a call for short. You can see that this is a call for shorting Bitcoin. This around this area, when we lost this area, this is a call for short. And right now, seeing what we're doing here, this is ranging. I call it ranging market, or the market is moving sideways, pump and dump. The exact thing to do here is to either stay out of the market or you scalp it out, depending on the one you know how to do better. So if you are looking at many other coins here in my watch list, I have coins to trade. The last signal I gave right now was on link short. So I just want us to look at the chart and see if yes, this is link, and link has started, just had a higher pump on 4 hour. You see here, link just had a higher pump. Looking at this place, the question is, are we going to have a repeat of this? This is an institutional move. We can call it an order block. Okay, this is institutional move. And if you are trying to short this market again, the market will start shorting from here again. Institutions will sell. But one thing I need you to know, that you can see that there is also another oh my god, you can see here that there is also another order block here, okay, waiting to be filled. So an experienced trader, you don't just short from here, you start here from here to short. You place your order here. This place, you can call it liquidity or supply zone. This area, you can call it liquidity or supply zone, which is where you can place your order. The market will push to here. No matter what is happening within these levels, the market will still reach here to take out the liquidity from here before shorting again. And if you watch this area, this is also called point of interest. This can also be your point of interest, the area where the market reach and start. So this area can be your POI. From this area, the market is still going to dump again. This thing that happened here will repeat itself, because what we are seeing at the chart here is what is happening, what people are doing, what the individual traders are doing. So we are now seeing the whatever people are doing in the representation of the candles. We are seeing them here. Okay, so once here now, people that bought link around these levels has set their selling target around this place at 7.37. so the market must reach there to take out this liquidity before dumping back. It's very, very simple to understand, and you can trade with that. And there is also a way for you to trade also like this. You can also put out a trend line here. Okay, put out this trend line. You can also draw this trend line from here. Now draw another trend line, find another trend line. This one may not be good, but just find another trend line here. So as you can see, this trend line is either that the price reached here and dump here before pumping up to this level, and once it's reached to this level, it's going to dump back again. Now what do you target as a trader? You're going to monitor this trend line, this below layer here. At any time that the price of Bitcoin broke down this trend line, broke down, maybe the price is moving like this and it broke down. Once a break of this trend line happens, it calls for what? For a short entry. So let's go back to CoinMarketCap and see what other altcoins has did within the past week. So the next altcoin we're going to review now is BNB, Binance Coin. Looking at Binance Coin is trading at $277. This is the price of Binance Coin right here, and you can see Cardano trading at 49, and within the past 7 days Cardano has risen on 12%. This is a good for those that took the position. Matic also trading at 87. Now there was a new development that happened on Matic. I think something they did with DAI, something like that. I can't recall the full news, but that's a fundamental which can help push the price of Cardano up. Now looking at Avalanche AVX trading at $18. You can see many other coins here trading at LTC trading at $59, Cosmos trading at 12.8, and this is exactly what I told people. I told people that are following me up. This Cosmos is trading right now, that is Atom, is trading right now at 12.8. Now let's check my tweet on Twitter and see. You will see what I just tweeted on Twitter a few days ago. I think it's better to see that. So look at this are my tweets and see. I said, guys, if you are looking for a coin to hold for a long term, Atom should be in your list. This is just a hint. And when I gave this thing, when I just said this was on second, that's 2 days back, I said it on September 2nd, and what was Atom doing then was 7%. Today you can see on CoinMarketCap that Atom is 12.8, and if you check on 7 days period since then, Atom has gained 17%. That's huge. If we try and check the historical data of Atom, you will see that we have even hit we have hit $13. I think so. Okay, yeah, we hit $13 yesterday on 2nd of September, Atom closed on $13. The high was $13, but today Atom is still trading. Maybe tomorrow, before tomorrow, we are going to hit. Now you can see the current market cap of Atom is growing. Daily trading volume at 256 million. That's huge. That's huge to show you that it is a good coin to hold with good fundamentals. When I say fundamentals, I know what Atoms are doing. Now you can see that this place is a sentimental. This place is if you are using CoinMarketCap, always make sure that you read these comments. Sometimes this comment helps. If the bullish is more than the bearish, it's also a good market sentiment that will improve the unit price of that particular coin that are being talked about. So many people are talking about Atom here, and I am also a huge fan of Atom, and hoping for reach $14. Then I will start selling some of my holdings on Cosmos. So many coins here, and we can see if we check on 17 days period. So on 17 days, 7 days, you can see that KSM did 9%. This coin has stopped moving from a long time. It did 9%. Flow did also 9%, and many other coins like that did 9%. 24 hour, we can see that Stepping, which is a GMT, has did 2%. Many other coins have did 2%. Looking at what is happening, I think, what do we expect from this week? What do we expect from this week? That is one thing that you need to get from this video. What do we expect from this week? Now, what I expect from this week is this. On last week was really nothing really happened, and if you have been in this market for a long time, you will know that any week that nothing happened, like the market was just doing pump and dump, the following week will have a little bullish scenario. So what I expect that if many coins that are now today are in not moving or not pumping, something like that, I expect bullish moment from this week. I expect Bitcoin, depending on what Bitcoin, if Bitcoin really start dumped today or tomorrow at 18k. Now from 18k we will expect pump, short-term pump. We will expect short-term pump from BTC. That's one thing to get from this video. So another thing you need to get also from this video, if you are a futures trader, just know that any little opportunity, any little pump is a shorting opportunity. I've been saying this since Bitcoin was 23k. I've been saying it that any little pump is a shorting opportunity, and those that have been doing that know exactly what they are doing. Any little pump is a shorting opportunity. If you keep doing that, you are going to make something out of the market. Thank you for joining me today in my masterclass, and I call this market review. Many things have been happening, and we will keep bringing hard in order to make sure that we keep pumping money and the coin picks up as soon as possible. This year has not been so well, but many people have did 1x, many people have did 2x, many people have did well in the market. But I guess that we have not gotten what we really want from the crypto market this year. I think so. It's not I think so, but it is what it is. And September, October, November, December will always show itself. If you watch past 2020, 2021 on September, from October, November, December is always a bullish month in crypto industry. So look forward for this day. If you have some money, keep buying the dip. No one ever regretted buying the dip. Those people that regret much in this crypto industry are those that always buy the pump. You don't buy the pump, you buy the dip. So now the market is in deep. Bitcoin is trading 19k. People will not buy. It is when the Bitcoin started going up from 2021 that people will start buying. Anyone that loves buying the green will always cry at the end, but those that buy the red is always winning every time, any day. Thank you for joining me, and have a blessed Sunday. You may be watching this video tomorrow anyway. Have a blessed week ahead. It's Ernest Bukas. Thanks you. Subscribe to my channel and invite your friends to watch more. Goodbye.